Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is a important video for everyone. Please watch till the end. Many of you have doubts regarding from which platform to use to upskill yourself. So today I have come with this video where I am going to talk about Masai School. In this video, I will give you a complete and honest breakdown what Masai School really is today, their courses, placements, partnerships with IITs, IIM, and whether it can actually help you build a career. So, if you are searching for Masai School review or thinking about joining, watch till the end. Masai is India's fastest growing online career school with more than 40,000 plus active learners as of 2026 and thousands of successful alumni. Their mission is simple to skill India's untapped talent for some of the most in demand jobs through an outcome driven education model that focuses on real career results, not just certificates. Unlike traditional institute, Masai focuses heavily on job readiness from day one. Let's talk about Masai School courses. They offer a wide range of career focused programs including software engineering, AI, ML, data science, cybersecurity, intake, digital marketing, growth marketing, AI automation, SEO in marketing, product management with AI, business analytics with AI, supply chain management, entrepreneurship, and fintech courses in management. All programs are integrated with Gen and agentic AI and designed for real industry demand. So whether you are a student, working professional और career switcher, there is something for everyone. इनकी जो सबसे बड़ी credibility factors है इनकी पार्टनरशिप्स आईआईटी और आईएम के साथ. Masai collaborates with prestigious institutions like IITs, IIM, XLRI, BITSOM, PwC Academy, MIT, and Rotman School of Management to design industry relevant programs. That means you are learning curriculum aligned with real global standards. Most programs only require you to be 12th pass and everything is fully online. Plus Masai आपको courses Indian language में भी offer करती है like Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Malayalam which is used for students from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. If English has ever been a barrier, this can be a game changer. Now the most important part, Masai school placements. They have placed thousands of learners in companies like Ola, Swiggy, Capgemini and many more. As per 2023 data, Masai has 94% placement rate, average package around 6.9 LPA, 36 LPA, highest package, 7,000 plus learners placed. That shows the outcome driven model is actually working. चलिए अब सुनते हैं मसाई स्कूल के स्टूडेंट से उनका क्या कहना है मसाई स्कूल के बारे में.
Hi everyone, this is Payal and I'm basically from Pune itself. I would like to give in feedback for this course which I recently done data science and AI course by Masai School with the collaboration with IIT Mumbai. It has been started 3 months ago, but this very wonderful, well structured, and it is very impactful for all students and of course for me also. It is very wonderful. I really appreciate the whole team and it is very supportive. The coordinator is very supportive, Darshan, and to all teachers also. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is exactly what makes Masai different. Real people, real journey and real outcomes. Many students say mentor guidance and real projects help them become job ready. Masai is also doing some really interesting initiatives like Empower Her, a free program helping women build careers, Misogi AI, a 14-week advanced AI program for developers, placed AI platform for skill-based job matching. They even hosted India's first EdTech convocation celebrating 600 plus graduates. Masai started with pay after placement but now offers prepaid programs starting around 60,000 which is much lower than typical executive courses costing 2 lakh or more. So it's become more accessible for a wider audience. So is Masai School worth it? If you are looking for industry relevant skills, real projects, career support, strong partnerships, then Masai can definitely be a solid option to consider. But like any course, your success will depend on your consistency and effort. If you want to skill up the future jobs with outcome driven education, you can check out Masai School programs. Link is in the description. Please check it now and share with all your friends as well. Thank you all.